Hi there, it's Rob Hillman here from Easy Training Guides, and today we have a special video for you. We're actually unveiling our new online store. So as the internet goes, everyone comes to YouTube and they're searching for information, and the store that we've currently added onto our Easy Training Guides website contains over 10,000 different products. So I'm sure basically it's going to make it very easy for you to find the information that you require on whatever subject you require. So let's just have a look at the website now. So we'll come over to our Easy Training Guides website, easytrainingguides.com, and on the main menu you've got home. There's a free video course there for people that are looking at setting up an internet business. Membership site, we have an online video membership site with hundreds and hundreds of videos on there, and of course, last but not least is our store. So if we click on our store, link to our store, so we've got ebooks and stock and software, your one-stop storefront. How can I solve my problem? The answer is information. And the information is here, believe it or not. You're sure to find the information with over 10,000 information products to choose from. So browse now. But if we have a look down the website, browse to your heart's content at our full range of products. So you've got browse by category, you've got arts and entertainment, self-help, reference, software, languages, mobile, home and garden, business and investing, you name it. Some featured products there. We'll just might go up to the top here. Make money. Everyone wants to make money. E-business and e-marketing, one of my favorites. Let's take a look at a program. Let's look at we've got paid surveys, email marketing, domains, e-commerce operations, blog marketing. Let's click on that one and see what's there. Just as an example for this one. Okay, so blog marketing, we've got a lot of categories there. You've got speedy links, your blog will pay you for years, the ultimate and comprehensive guide making a consistent income from blogging for years. $9.95. I mean, how can you go from that? There's one, take your HR career to the next level, blogging equalizer, blog and ping software. Let's go and have a look at your blog will pay you for years and see where that takes us. As I said, there's over 10,000 products. So it pays to blog. Follow the simple steps in it. Pays to blog to create an income generating blog, build an online business that will create passive income for years to come. So they go right through the nitty gritty, and you can watch it on your mobile device as well. So let's just go back to our category section and go back again. So look, that's pretty well it in a nutshell. You've got menu at the top, you've got a search bar there that you can search for whatever you like, self-help, hundreds and hundreds of different products there. Well, 10,000 products to be exact. So lots of different methodologies, games, health and fitness, better systems. So there's something for everyone. If you can't find the videos that you're looking for in YouTube, then try the search bar and just see what comes up. But apart from that, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do like the video, click and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one. As I say in the classics, onwards and upwards.